Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the basics. Tighten a low, balanced stance so you can move without tipping. Then, execute a deliberate level change and a half penetration step toward your opponent's lead leg. This creates the angle and distance you need. While stepping, establish a controlling grip on wrist or collar so you maintain contact. Once done, drive your head into their chest and reach behind the hip. This locks structure and converts the step into a committed takedown. Once you can enter reliably, layer entries and reactions. Jab a shot to draw posture, snap hands to open hips, then immediately shoot when they react. Connect moves. If the single doesn't close, switch hips and transition to a double or finish with an ankle pick, so you never stop attacking. Maintain body mechanics. Lower your hips, drive through with your legs, and keep your chest over their hips to control direction. This continuous pressure forces opponents to finish, convert momentum into control. Secure hooks or lift and turn their far hip to bring them to the mat, and make sure your chest stays connected to their core during transition so they can't scramble away. Once down, establish ride and hip control to work toward a pin or score. If things go wrong, like a hard sprawl, relevel, circle off the line, reshoot to the weak leg, or switch to a snap and ankle pick, that immediate correction keeps you in the fight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.